Can kids use their First Amendment rights at school? In today's rapidly changing educational environment, the question of whether children can exercise their First Amendment rights at school is more relevant than ever. Recent discussions around school policies and student expression have sparked interest among parents and students alike. Many are eager to understand the boundaries of free speech in educational settings. Children do have First Amendment rights in school, but these rights are not limitless. Schools can impose restrictions to maintain a conducive learning atmosphere. The First Amendment protects freedoms like speech, religion, and expression. However, schools have the authority to regulate these rights under specific circumstances. For instance, students retain their free speech rights, but schools can limit speech that disrupts the educational process or infringes on the rights of others. The United States Supreme Court has ruled that schools may restrict speech that is lewd, promotes illegal drug use, or causes significant disruption to the school environment. Religious rights are also protected, but conflicts can arise when school policies intersect with personal beliefs. Recently, the Supreme Court ruled that parents must be informed and given the option to opt their children out of curricula that conflict with their religious beliefs. This ruling affirms parental rights to guide their children's religious upbringing under the First Amendment. Additionally, teachers and school staff have First Amendment rights, but these rights are balanced against the school's need for efficient public service. For example, a court ruled that a transgender teacher did not have First Amendment protection to use personal pronouns in class if it conflicted with state laws or school policies. Schools can also regulate speech on sensitive topics, especially for younger students. Laws like Florida's Parental Rights in Education Act restrict discussions of gender identity and sexual orientation in early grades. This shows that schools can impose limits on certain speech to align with educational goals and parental rights. In summary, while children do have First Amendment rights at school, these rights are balanced against the school's role in maintaining order and respecting diverse community values. Schools may impose reasonable restrictions, particularly when speech conflicts with educational objectives or the rights of others. Parents also play a recognized role in guiding their children's religious and moral education, which courts have upheld in cases involving curriculum content.